How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you have accidentally deleted a chat on Instagram and want to recover it, you are in the right place. First of all, launch Instagram application on your device. Sign in. Tap profile at bottom right. Head towards three-line icon at top right. Now scroll down. Tap on Account Center at top of the screen, and after that scroll down. Tap your information and permissions. Now tap download your information. Tap download or transfer information and select some of your information. To recover deleted chats, you simply need to tap on messages and then tap the next button. Now select download to device and enter your Gmail and tap create files, and Instagram will send a file containing your data including messages if available. So once Instagram processes your request, you will receive an email with a link to download your data. Open the link and download the file. Look through the file for your deleted chats. So if you permanently deleted the messages and they are not in the recently deleted section or your data download, unfortunately they cannot be recovered. Make sure to always back up important messages using Instagram data download feature if you want to preserve it. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.